Good morning students, welcome back to today classes. And today class I am going to explain about the first and second and third lessons marks the following. And the first one, the smallest continent. I hope you are all very well know. So totally 7 continents in the world and which is called the smallest continent in the world. And Australia it's called one of the smallest continent in the world and Australia spelling is Australia. Australia it's called the smallest continent in the world and the second one blue planet and which is called blue planet in the solar family and Earth is called a blue planet in the solar family. And do you know what is the reason Earth is called the blue planet? Because in our Earth most of the portions fully covered with sea water and the water is looking blue in color, so Earth is called a blue planet in the solar family. And the next one, the Neptune, and the Neptune is called a 8th planet in the solar family and the Neptune is the farthest planet in the it is too far away from the sun, so that is called, so that's why Neptune is called the farthest planet in the solar family. And the fourth one, museum, museum, museum. And the museum, what is the use of museum? And the museum will help us to know about our early man's life histories, our ancestors life history. And in the museum we can see the rare things and objects we can see in the place of museum. And the fifth one, early humans, the early humans. So nowadays we are living in a luxurious life and we are living on proper houses. But early humans, they are lived in a nomadic life and the nomadic means Nomadic, nomadic. So the early humans, they were lived in a nomadic life. So nomadic means they are not living in one proper place. They are shifting place. So daily they are shifting and they are moving one place to another place. So it is called nomadic life. And sixth one, flint stone, Flint, flint stone, and this is called one of a type of stone. And this what is the use of this flint stone? Flint stone it's produce fire. So flint stone will help us to produce fire. And next one, quartzite, quartzite, Quart, quartzite, Zite. And quartzite is also called one of a type of stone. And this stone will make tools and weapons. So our ancestors they were used these stones and they were made tools and weapons. And the tool spelling is TOOLS, tools. And sixth one, numismatics. And numismatics, numismatics, MATICS, numismatics. And numismatics means it's a study of coins. The study of coins, it's called numismatics. And this is one, research places. And still also so many research is going on in our Tamil Nadu. And do you know what is that research? Our ancestor, they are kept so many things under the earth. So the archaeological people and archaeological department will find out the things from the under the earth. So that is called research. And the research place it's called Keeladi. And Keeladi is located in Tamil Nadu state. And still its research is going on. And 10th one, early man lived. So where they were lived, so they were lived in caves. Caves அப்படினா நம்ம குகை அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So they were lived in caves. Cave spelling is CAVES, caves. So dear students, learn this match and write one time in your homework note. Thank you.